Listen, close your eyes for a second and think about the greatest World Cup goal you can remember. I bet I know what it looks like. It's a 40-yard strike, a solo run past 4 stumbling defenders, or maybe a wild bicycle kick that had absolutely no business going in. It's pure, unadulterated individual brilliance. That is the goal that makes the highlight reel, and it's the one we replay for years. But what if I told you that flashy play isn't actually what wins championships? And more importantly, what if I told you that chasing the financial equivalent of a bicycle kick is exactly what's keeping you from building real wealth? The real games are won on the boring, rehearsed plays that never make the highlight reel. And if you're trying to build wealth, you're probably doing exactly what those flashy strikers do, and it's costing you a ton of money. Hi, I'm Chalekian, and I help individuals like you build, preserve, and enjoy their wealth. Today, we're breaking down the set piece strategy, and I'm going to show you exactly how to automate your way to the top. Let's get into it. Now, if you're like me, you've been glued to the World Cup these last few weeks. There is nothing quite like seeing the best athletes on the planet compete at the highest level. But as I was watching these games, a massive realization hit me. The way these teams win on the pitch is exactly how the most successful people win with their money. Here's a reality that nobody talks about on sports shows. A massive share of World Cup goals, often close to a third, don't come from spontaneous moments of magic. They come from set pieces. Now, if you don't follow soccer, a set piece is any dead ball situation. Think of corner kicks, free kicks, or penalty kicks. It's a moment where plays restarts under completely controlled conditions. Nobody's out there improvising these goals. A coach drew them up on a whiteboard, and the team practiced those exact movements hundreds of times on a quiet training pitch weeks before the tournament even started. They script who runs where, who screens the defender, and who gets the final touch. The flashy plays get the applause, but the boring rehearsed plays win the tournament. The exact same thing is true for building wealth. Personal finance has its own version of the rehearsed play. Let me tell you a quick story. Years ago, I had a client sit down in my office. He was totally stressed out because he had spent months trying to find the perfect moment to buy into a hot tech stock. He was trying to be the hero. He wanted that 40-yard wonder strike. Meanwhile, my other client, who was a teacher, never looks at the stock market. She stays calm and simply runs her financial set pieces. These aren't exciting. Nobody's going to bring them up at a dinner party, but they are what actually wins. Here's what your financial set pieces look like. Automatic transfers into your savings and investment accounts the exact day you get paid. A budget you actually check instead of one you set up once and completely forget about. Paying yourself first before a single dollar is spent on going out. Broad, boring, diversified investing that you rebalance on a strict schedule, not based on a gut hunch. Or having your insurance and estate documents actually signed and in place rather than just floating on your to-do list. Now, none of these are clever, but if you run them consistently for 20 years, you will outperform almost any flashy strategy you could have tried. So if the boring stuff works so well, why don't we all just do it? Well, here's the problem. Humans are simply not wired to get pumped up about a scheduled bank transfer. We are wired for the highlight reel. We want the solo goal, not the rehearsed corner kick. This is exactly why so many people chase the financial equivalent of a wonder strike. They want the hot stock tip, the crazy meme stock rally, the get-rich-quick side bet, or they try to perfectly time a market bottom. It feels like a game-defining moment. And sure, occasionally someone pulls it off, just like someone occasionally scores from midfield. But that rare, spectacular success is memorable precisely because it is so rare. Listen to me closely. It's not a strategy, it's a highlight. The data completely backs this up on both the soccer pitch and the stock market. Soccer teams that rely on structured, practice sequences score at a much higher and more reputable rate than teams just praying for individual flair to show up. Flair is inconsistent. You can't schedule it. Study after study shows that consistent, automated, diversified investors crush active stock pickers over the long run. Consistency compounds, random brilliance does not. So how do you implement this today? You don't need a brand new, complicated strategy. You just need a short list of rehearsed plays that you execute without even thinking about them. Here's your playbook. Number 1, automate it. Set up recurring transfers to your savings and investments. Make the decision once so you don't have to wrestle with it every single month. Number 2, pick 2 or 3 drilled plays. Maybe it's a monthly budget check-in, a quarterly portfolio rebalance, or an annual insurance review. That is it. You don't need 15 different financial habits. You just need a few that you will actually repeat. Number 3, remove the live decision. Champions do not improvise set pieces. They execute what they've already rehearsed. The fewer choices you have to make in the heat of the moment, the less room there is to make a bad one. Consistency compounds. Brilliance, if it isn't repeatable, just burns out. No team wins a World Cup final on pure talent alone in those final 90 minutes. They win it with what they rehearsed for months in the shadows, long before that match ever kicked off. Wealth works the exact same way. It is not built in a single bold decision. It is built in the quiet, repeated plays that nobody is watching. The boring investor running the same rehearsed plays every month never makes the news, but they are the ones who end up holding the trophy. So I'm going to leave you with this question. What is the one financial set piece you are going to start drilling this month? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you rethink your wealth strategy, do me a favor and share this with someone who needs to stop chasing the financial highlight reel. Remember, financial independence isn't an accident, it's engineered. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.